The ocean is a powerful force. It can be calm and peaceful, but also wild and dangerous. Tsunamis are one of the ocean's most destructive forces. These giant waves can travel thousands of miles across the ocean and cause massive damage when they hit land. Tsunamis are a real threat, but we can survive them if we are prepared. Understanding what causes tsunamis and how to stay safe is crucial. We need to respect the power of nature and be ready to act fast when it shows its teeth. Remember, knowledge is power. By learning about tsunamis, we can protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay safe. Knowing the warning signs of a tsunami can be the difference between life and death. Often, nature gives us clues before these giant waves strike. The most obvious sign is an earthquake. If you're near the coast and feel a strong earthquake, a tsunami might be on its way. Head to higher ground immediately. Don't wait for an official warning. Another sign is the ocean behaving strangely. If you see the water receding drastically, like a very low tide, it could be a sign that a tsunami is approaching. Run, don't walk to higher ground. Listen for unusual roaring sounds coming from the ocean. It might sound like a jet engine or a freight train. This could mean trouble is coming. Trust your instincts and seek safety immediately. Being prepared is key to surviving a tsunami. Here's what you can do before, during, and after a tsunami to stay safe. Know your evacuation routes. Make sure your family has a plan and a communication system. Pack an emergency kit with food, water, and first aid. If you're near the coast and feel an earthquake or see the water receding quickly, evacuate immediately to higher ground. Don't wait for official warnings. Stay away from the coastline until authorities say it's safe. Stay away from damaged areas. Help others if it's safe. Be patient, as it will take time to recover. We can learn from past tsunamis. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami showed us the importance of being prepared. It caused widespread devastation, but many people survived because they knew what to do. We learned that education is key. After the 2004 tsunami, many countries improved their warning systems and taught people about tsunami safety. This saved countless lives in later events. We also learned that even small actions can make a difference. Every person who evacuates to higher ground, every family with an emergency plan, every community prepared for disaster increases our collective chances of survival. Stay informed and prepared. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts and safety tips.